everyone, I am Yutika Pradeep Kumar Sarunge. I live in Kolhapur and currently I am doing MBBS in BJ Government Medical College and Sassoon Hospitals, Pune. I am a part of Chate Group of Education since 9th standard. I completed my 10th standard and got a 10 CGPA with the help of Chate. The teachers here, they were very supportive. I also completed my 11th, 12th from here and got admission in a very prestigious college in Pune. Nowadays, there is corona pandemic, everyone knows, and all the parents, they are very scared how to educate their children. They are watching mobile for a long time, their eyes are going to strain. But this time, the whole nation has to stay together and we are helping our juniors to learn properly via digitalization. Chate Group of Education has started online coaching classes. The teachers come in the studio, they have the concepts ready like maths, physics, chemistry, everything is ready. They perform the teaching and this is sent via the portal to the students. I want to give a message to my juniors that this is nothing wrong going on with them. Whereas it is very nice, you are saving petrol, you are saving time. Okay, you are using mobile phones, but that you are going to do playing PUBG also. So why not focus on your studies nowadays? People are thinking it is very hard, we have to waste our network, we are wasting electricity, but that's not the point. You are learning something new via digitalization. You are going to learn how to use newer techniques in your mobile phones or laptops. You are going to learn how to put on a mic, how to act in front of your teachers, even if it is online. My tuition, that is Chate coaching classes, they are very supportive even in online classes. I've seen their lectures, I've visited their YouTube pages also. My former teachers, they are teaching very nicely over here. Also, I would like to add that digitalizing is not ever going to be bad. It is the need of today's generation because everyone knows how to handle the mobile phones. Then why not to channelize it in a positive way? You're going to learn various concepts on the phone. You can repeat the videos again and again. Whereas when you are interacting with your teachers, some of the other point teachers are going to get frustrated. But when you watch the videos over and over, you get the concept properly. It's just like when you learn cycling in your childhood, you don't forget it ever. And you do it repeatedly, so you become master at that. Similarly, when you watch these YouTube videos or the videos which are shared on your portal, you're going to watch them again and again if you don't understand. And when you understand, perfect. It's going to be set in your mind forever. I would also like to add that corona pandemic is nothing to worry about. If you stay safe at your homes and study properly, you're going to top everything.
What is the best in Kolhapur? I'm just asking you a personal question. Why do you love Kolhapur?
It being my hometown, I've grown up here for 20 years. And it's a very small place, but a quiet place and a nice one.
So how was your experience in Pune in terms of your education?
My experience in Pune in terms of education would be brilliant, I'd like to say. Because I get to know various cultures. Being from a different city, people from other states also have joined me in my college. Like they're from Orissa, they're from Kolkata. They come with a very different concept of theirs from their coaching classes, and I come with a very different concept. We interact with each other and we get to know about that.
Have you noticed that situation where, people from small town and people from big town and the
Kolhapur as compared to Pune is a small town, and there I have noticed very differences between them. People speaking English in Pune and people speaking English in Kolhapur, it's a huge difference. I think we could overcome this problem, or I could say situation. Also, people in Pune, they are very digitalized, whereas in Kolhapur it's still developing around the digital era.
So what's your message to the upcoming candidates or students of Kolhapur? Will digitalization help them to fill up this gap?
Talking about digitalization filling the gap between two cities or two cultures, I think this is a very great step for my juniors or the upcoming students who are interested in NEET, JEE, engineering, NATA, because they are going to learn how to interact socially. They are going to learn how to interact with teachers and outsiders. This is going to happen on a digital platform. There is nothing wrong in this, whereas you are going to learn various techniques also included.
Okay, so Chate is getting digital. You might have received that news. So I want to know, what if Chate was digital when you were a student?
Chate getting digitalized nowadays, I feel jealous because people are sitting at their home in their luxurious spot. They are not coming out of their comfort zone, yet they are learning something new. if this could have been the scene during my 11th 12th standard, I could have been very happy, because according to my leisure hours, I could have been studying, sitting on my bed or or on my couch. I could be studying. I could be watching videos at 11 p.m. at night. Before the digital era, we were used to coming here at 9:30 or 6:30 in the morning or 4 at the evening. This was not according to our time. It was according to everyone's convenience. But nowadays, you can sit wherever you want and whatever time and how many times you want to watch your videos, you can do it.
Great. So, while concluding this video, do you wish to recommend digital Chate to the upcoming students? And if yes, why?
I would totally recommend digital Chate coaching classes to every student out there, because this is a very fun learning process. No other student is going to disturb you while you are watching your videos. Like, no other person is going to poke at you from behind, or no class which is filled with noise is going to disturb the next class. You can watch it according to your convenience. You can watch it how many times you want to watch. You can rewind any other point you want, and this is going to happen for every subject. So a very big thumbs up from my side.
Fine. Do you think visually educating people visually or making people understand visually creates more psychological impact and help them to understand concepts really better?
We had a seminar in our school when I was in 10th standard. We were asked to close our eyes and imagine that there's a helium balloon in one corner and so many things. So the conclusion of that seminar was, when we visualize or when we imagine and we see things happening in front of us written on the board, this is going to have a very great psychological impact on your studying. Any picture is going to grab your attention, whereas reading is not going to make you understand or visualize those structures which you have in chemistry or biology. Whereas when you see the videos, when you see everything written on the board in a sequence or any video going on, your mind is going to capture it very well. So I think visual is important.
So do you think the diagrams and the 3D motions and graphics being taught through digital Chate will help students?
Being an MBBS student, I have learnt anatomy, and your body has anterior and posterior part, but you cannot see a posterior part in the textbook like from the lateral view also. Whereas when we have going on videos and 3D images pop up, you can see the 360 view. And Chate coaching class is doing very well in these 3D images, diagrams. You have flow charts in the videos, and that is going to help you to understand every aspect.
So finally, just recommend digital Chate to your friends and you can conclude the video.
I would like to recommend digital Chate to every student, because it is really going to help you. You think you'll read everything and you'll understand, but unless and until you hear your teacher say it, you don't get the confidence that yes, this is right, and you tend to forget it. So I recommend digital Chate to everyone. Thank you.